Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Kuku TV. Today we are talking about the topic which is economic importance. So let's start the video and let's talk about it in detail. The value of all services that healthy ecosystem provide is estimated to be in hundreds of trillion each year. In turn, the destruction of ecosystem and loss of biodiversity bring the cascading economic cost. That's why the word economic. The loss of biodiversity bring cascading economic cost. That's why the World Economic Forum listed biodiversity loss as a top economic threat in a global risk report of 2022. One insurance firm, Swiss Re, recently found that while more than half 55% of the global economy is dependent on high functioning biodiversity and ecosystem services, 1/5 of world's countries are at risk of having their ecosystem collapse. The loss of coral reef, for example, decimates tourism economies, reduces the natural storm surge protection, and mean less food and shelter for the fish that make communities depend on for food, and ecosystem destruction that eat away at our natural carbon sink, like even the rainforest too. Burial of forests are lodged is especially damaging, while climate crisis represent a nearly incalculable bill. Some suggest that it will cost the global economy $23 trillion annually by 2050, a steep price to pay for commodities like toilet paper made from those old growth forests. Social importance. The influence of biodiversity in society goes deep. Natural guides many of our cultural practices and religious beliefs. It fuels our intellectual and artistic pursuit. It shapes our sense of place. Nature offers as a means of experiencing joy, adventure, and awe. That's why so many of us are ethically compelled to limit harm to wildlife. We feel a sense of loss as species go extinct. This is perhaps most true for indigenous communities whose traditions and cultures are linked to the health of environment and who remain at forefront to fight to protect it. In Canada, for example, the indigenous advocates are defending the old growth boreal forest from unsustainable logging, as Cree elder Alan Sagarajan says of his rapidly disappearing home. My way of life, my culture, my language, and my identity as Cree person are still very connected to the land that we always be in our hearts. related to all that. If you have any question, you can ask it to me in the comment section. And if you are new to my YouTube channel Cuckoo TV, must subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos and details. Keep watching, keep supporting.